Guys, I wasn't recording, but I got my first fish on YouTube recording.
Go get water.
Oh damn, bro, he swallowed this. He choked it. You got pliers? He choked it. I cut it.
Go get water.
A pot.
Go get water.
Where?
Water.
Oh. I thought you meant from the car. Damn, bro, it's super shallow here. Over there's like a drop off over there.
Go get some food.
Like this? Come here. Damn, bro. Hell yeah, better than crappie for me.
Okay.
Oh. Okay, we got that unhooked. That's gonna be my dinner today. It's using the same piece of worm. Bobber with a small circle hook. We're at Cedar Lake, Minnesota. This is the same lake I caught my PB largemouth. Ooh. Okay. What the freak? What the hell? How does this crap keep happening? 2 times? No, this is like the 3rd time. Okay, there we go. Why is it doing this? Catch you till I catch one. Oh, guys. Got bite. Oh, crap. I wasn't recording. Okay, this time we're recording. I don't think there's a fish there, but you know what? Might as well try, see if there's any up that close. Yep, there's no fish there. Oh shoot, got scared this late. Thought something else that's trying to eat. This is probably gonna be a long video, but hope that, oh, fish eating it. God, oh. Am I saying it? Am I drag too tight? I mean, too loose? What? Let's see if this small piece of worm will still work. Oh, yeah. Got him. Hammering these little. Doubled up. Oh, dude, this is a good one, dude. He's fighting. Oh yeah, I'm eating this one for sure, dude. This is a good one. Dude, this one wasn't really fighting until it got close to shore. It tastes better than crappie, in my opinion. Okay, guys, nice little crappie. Go keep them. Oh shoot, he got water on my hands. Okay, let's go catch another. All right, we just gotta make that walk back. Catch you till we get there. All right, guys, we're back at the spot. Rigged it up. Cast it right there. See if one comes and pick it up. I think that's too shallow. Can't tell if I throw too far. If they're even that far out. Oh, smoked it. Dude, this little guy is fun on an ice fishing rod. Ooh, crappie. Wait, is it? Oh no, big bluegill, bro. I thought it was crappie. He was fighting like a crappie. Oh wait, keep it in water. Oh, dude, he just poked my foot. I let him go and he can't poke me. I'm definitely eating him now. Walking my pet fish. Or soon to be dinner fish. Okay, gotta walk back. Still got the same worm. When we get a little closer, it'll be a lot more stuffier. Like they're out here. So I don't make too much commotions. Why these people? What the hell? Why is there a vape here? Ew, I don't want that vape. Don't do vape, guys. That's bad. Okay. What the hell? Why the hell is it doing this crap? I don't want this stupid crap. Okay. Let's cast this crap. It's done the stupid, creepy stuff again. Stupid crap. Let me just freaking cast. Perfect. Oh, something already got it. Got him. Ooh, this one's a fighter. Ooh, he gave us a little jump. Oh yeah, I hooked him good. I could just walk him. Oh shoot, he go come at me. Alright. Beautiful bluegill for dinner. Beauty. Like 10-inch. Ooh. Nice little bluegill. Going into the bucket. Okay, we're going back. Still got the same piece of worm. I just rigged it a little bit better. And here's the stupid vape. Don't do vaping, guys. Unless you're a butthole. What the guys, if you don't see that, I just hooked my hoodie. Oh, crap, guys. Dude, you did not tie this hook good. I literally hooked my sweater. Let me go to this rock. Gotta retie. Okay. Retie it when I catch a fish or lose my worm. When I go back, I gotta cut the access line. It did the stupid thing again. What the hell? Just let me fish. Start giving me a hard problem. I just had to retie this crap. There we go. Okay. There's gonna be a fish coming. Oh yeah. Oh, missed it. Should wait a little longer. Yeah, just recast. Did he take the worm? Yup, he did. You know what? Let's try casting it from here. Let's try casting it here. Maybe they're there. Maybe if they're here, I don't need to walk all the way over there. You know what? I'm walking back. So this water is like really shallow. Right here is shallow, but when you get over there, it's gonna have a drop off. Okay. That's the tree we want to go to. When we see that vape, that means we're close to where we were earlier. So like here. Yeah, here. What? Hook my leg, bro. How did I hook? Well, I gotta go slow. How the hell did I hook? This is why I don't like to leave it long. I'm gonna end up hooking myself. Maybe they're right there. Is that too shallow? Too shallow. This might be like a 30-minute video. Been out here for almost an hour now. Bro, I don't want to throw it there. Throw it? Yeah. Why? I think those people, they got the limit. Come on. Give me some fish. For little ice fishing pole, they put a good fight. But you're using like a standard fishing pole. Oh, almost hooked the tree. Watch, I'm gonna get a bite instantly. Yup. He got it. Dang, why is it so loose now? Ooh, give it a little kick. You think this too small? Or too small? Or to let go? Hey guys, so we were gonna let it go, but I hooked him on the gill, so we gotta eat him. He's big, but not big like a good eater, so but we have to keep him because we don't want the fish to die. Oh, I thought I had a fish on. Fish. Oh. Ooh, somebody touching my bobber. Oh yeah, Cindy, he's trying to eat it. God, oh, what? Too close. Oh yes, Cindy eating it. They're eating it. We're not. What the hell? Why there's a RC boat over there, dude? They're gonna scare away the fish. I swear that thing comes flying at me, I'm like pissed. Oh. He's up shore. Ooh, dude, he was on. If I knew he was on, I would have set the hook harder. He was on. I did not know he was on. Something different. Oh, got him. Ooh, dude, this one gonna be big. Unless he's a fighter. He just took off. Oh yeah, this one's eater, bro. This one's eater. Oh, this is a beauty, guys. Oh, beauty. But we're gonna eat it. Oh, I'm gonna eat it. I don't want to take it off yet because keep them in the water. There's a fighter, dude. When I hooked it, he just shot off. Oh, current. Nice little one. Go flop on in there. And let me try casting from here. Let's walk along while that sits. I'm just gonna be walking over. Well, you guys see this. I'm looking at my bobber. Yeah, just throw this thing in. You know what? I'm not gonna even go that close no more. I'm just staying here. And I'm gonna cast there because I don't wanna be casting. Should be a good spot. Like I said! Ooh! Wait, he came off. There's still be fish there. No, I hooked my worm good. Nope, I still got my worm. He's just right there. Just give it a bit. He'll come at it. Oh, yep. Yep, something on it. Shake that. Shake it just a little. Twitch it. Now wait. Well, that's where I'm catching the big ones. But maybe they're not there no more. Maybe they went a little more up. They're just all there. Ooh, that one just came and slammed it. Ooh, that one just came and slammed it, bro. Move on. Haha, this is a winner. Where is he? Nice little guy. Let's get him on hook. Yep, let's just get on the hook. Alright, let's sit back. You know what? Let's just stand here and then. Actually, no, let's go a little bit more. And then launch that out there. That's not gay! How's that gay? Oh, yeah, he's there. I recast. Whoa, I'm gonna trip on a rock. Alright, like from here. Perfect cast. Right where I want it. I don't think you guys can see that. Big boat coming by. Caught all the fish there. I think we caught all the fish. Oh, I caught the fish. Woo! I don't think there's no more fish here. Let's go back over there. Let's see if that's true and all the fish are gone. Okay. I hope those fish aren't gone. Those fish should still be there. Unless they're playing games for me to walk all the way back in. They shouldn't be all that far. Especially for bluegill. They should just be right there. Because these bluegill this year are really picky. If you don't know where they are, they're not going to want that. You just go look at it, run away. So you gotta know where you're casting. So find that, you catch one, that spot, they're right in the exact spot. Yes, I think. So what? Let's cast far. I don't think they're that far out. Maybe. Chong, chong, chong. Nothing. So we're at the beach now. Not a single nibble. I think I caught all the fish over there. I don't think they're here no more. If I had extra pants, I would go all the way out there. But I don't. And this thing cannot cast far. Let's see if I can focus. But those people, they're catching fish left and right. Did they get one? We'll go whopper popper. See if there's any bass around. Not gonna take out the worm. Still gonna use the worm later on. But let's try my bait caster. If I can catch a top water bite. What about my plastics? Alright, that drag's good. They got one. Look. I said them. I didn't say me. If I had like a Senko, I'd probably catch some bass. But I didn't bring my backpack because I want to see if I have some pot water luck. Bass, they were, last year bass were all over here. Like pretty small ones. Have you not seen how fast pike are? No, you don't. You could just straight run it or pause. Okay, there. We in the Corrado DC. It's a like Corrado DC with a Corrado rod. I think that's our this medium light with a upper popper. Time, I don't know. Did not mean to do that. I don't know what time it is, but this video is gonna be pretty long. I accidentally ended the video, so I'm gonna cut this back with that video, so I've been throwing like a couple casts, not recording. I think I'm throwing way too close to shore. Let's throw all the way into the main lake. They got one. They got one over there. Crappie again. You know, it could be a bass. Hey guys, look. Yeah, I actually accidentally ended the video again. But this time I'm just gonna cut in with the other video. I gotta edit. I know. I have to edit the whole night. I can't just do the video playing like this. It's not gonna look good. Hell no. I want my first video to look good. Let's see if they swim back, cause I think I caught all of them or I scared all of them. So let's see if they're still back. Even though my worms aren't hooked good, let's go give it a shot. The vape, the rock were the perfect spot. Are they back or did they swim out? I have no. Ooh, ooh, ooh. We got a bite. We had a bite. Ooh, another bite. Oh, I think they're back. I have to. He's not swallowing it. That's the only way I can catch him. Oh, is this too close to me, guys? Heck yeah. Yeah. But I'm gonna try re-putting my worm on because they're gonna think this is suspicious. That should be good. Line loose. See, it's the line. Before ice fishing, we got put new line. Cause this line's too old. This line we gotta change. All the fishing pole we gotta change. Ice fishing pole. Yes, sir. We're back, baby. We're back. We are so back. Dude, you should have brought shorts. I bet if you had shorts, we would. Tomorrow you got. Ooh. Still better than nothing. Okay, let's get this unhooked and throw it in the bucket. Alright, guys. I think bluegills are back. Hurry up before those run are over. Just like North Dakota. Okay, being too loud. I don't think fish likes me. One, two. Oh my gosh, bro. The stupid thing keep happening again. This is why I'm not catching any goddamn fish. Okay. Right, perfect spot. That's where all the fish want to be. I don't know if you guys can see it. Let's recast that. That wasn't as good. We're gonna come back tomorrow with minnows. We're probably gonna come back. So like and subscribe to this video. Cause I've not done anything like this before. I'm not really good at editing anymore. And why does it keep doing this? I'm not a good editor anymore, so don't judge. Good! Finally! You made a good cast. Is it only that one fish? That is just that one fish! Hey, let's cast it a little bit farther out. Where the hell are they? Oh yeah. I just came and try to pick it up. Oh yeah. Oh! To a fish. This have worm? Yes. Kinda. No. Who the hell cares? Let's risk that. If a fish eat that, actually no, they're not gonna be done. I caught fish without bait at all. Oh yeah, he's trying to eat it. Got him! Ha ha! Ha ha, bro! Got another fish! Ooh, he's pulling drag. Can't tell if he's a... You wanna keep it? Too small? Got it. Oh, he's trying to splash me. Okay. Oh, I hooked on the bottom lip too. Okay. There you go, buddy. There you goes.
They like minnows.
Huh? Where are you going? Are you still using worm or no?
No, I'm using worm.
Okay, I'm gonna take the worm over there. So I'll have to keep coming back.
Look at you have where to put it. Just
On the rock. There's a rock over there. But I don't want to keep coming back. Too lazy. I only come back to put the fish in the boat. Oh, I didn't see that rock. Okay, I guess we're eating good tonight. Just don't fall off. I know, I'm putting it on the rock. There's no rock in the lake. It's only at the side. Okay. Shoot, where are they? Oh. Since they're liking the night crawlers. Huh? I'm pulling the worm. Okay, we're back. Okay. Perfect. Ooh! Fish tried eating while I tried to reel it. I was gonna reel it, and a fish tried came. Oh yeah. Okay, so fish still there. Yep. Someone's trying to eat it. They're not cheating, bro. It's called skill. It's called skill. Dude, they're a good fighter, bro. Stop freaking fighting.
Just let it go. That's too small.
Actually, yeah, try taking this out without plier. Well, I push it back. I always push the hook down, down. There goes taking the bobber. I need pliers. I need pliers. Huh?
Don't kill me.
No, I'm not. You sure don't want to keep it?
Oh, yeah. You got room for your demon. That's what.
Pretty nice one.
Yeah, make it like a soup.
Yeah, I like soup.
I'm gonna make a soup later.
What for you?
Oh.
We got that fish unhooked. Let it go. I don't know why. I wanted it, but guess not. Oh, forgot there was drop off. Perfect spot. Dang. Excuse me. No, but I think they're all out there. Yup, right there. Yup, something eating it. Oh, yep. Yeah, he got it. Yup. Oh, it's small. I know, it's too small. So I guess today's a bluegill day. Tomorrow I hope it's crappie day. Well, crappie and bluegill day. Nice little beauty. He poked me. But let this beauty go. There she goes. She went nicely. Oh, I think there's fish eating it. I might catch one more fish and then end the video, guys. I think I might end the video. Oh, fish eating it. Cause so I don't have to do too much editing. Fish wants it. Yep, he got it. Yep. He's putting a good fight. Oh, I got time to drag. Ooh, dude, that's a nice one.
You're lying to lose, that's all.
This crappie? Oh, it's a largemouth. Holy crap. We gotta get this in. Holy crap, dude, this is a big largemouth, bro. big largemouth. I gotta hurry up, bro. It's a big largemouth. I thought it was a bluegill. It's a largemouth. Shoot. Who cares? I don't really get to catch.
It's a 5 pounder.
No, not big as the other one.
How you doing, man?
No, I
think
don't
you're
really
taking
catch largemouth. Ah,
it. The line is small to hold it. So, hold on.
and I gotta grab his mouth.
No, you gotta hook your.
Yes, sir.
Oh, you barely got him.
Wait, I gotta wash him here. I don't want to wash him over there.
Oh, now you got tingly.
Nice little one.
So
Set
put
his
here, so
mouth. It's a nice, healthy one too. Okay, we're gonna let this one go. Go nicely. One last look at her. Okay. Turn away. Let's go, Avatar. I haven't caught one like forever. No, I thought it was just a bluegill. That's why I wasn't. I was wondering why it was fighting so much. It was a largemouth. Dude, and I did not have a worm. Yeah, I used my lures too. I did not think that was a largemouth. Get a shot. Don't underestimate that lure. Actually, no, guys. I'm gonna keep recording. Since we caught a largemouth, we gotta record a little bit more. The line just slapped on my finger. I don't. Oh. Nope, I had one. Oh. Dude, I did not think we were gonna catch a bass today. Every single time I come here, I always end up catching a bass. If I be catching a bunch of bass like that, there must be a trophy bass in here. Like a 5-pounder. That one would not eat my whopper blubber, that's for sure. But we're going to be putting this another one. I don't know if I got add any music to this video. Okay. Huh? I'm putting worm on. If you don't see me, that means I'm putting worm. I don't know. What, they're just taking minnows? Okay, gotta get back out there. Go on, give me another bass. Oh. Oh, something eating it, something taking it. Yeah? Cause not giving it time. Like you said, be patient. Don't forget worm. I would keep more. No, don't. I thought a little bit more closer to catch that bass.